Have you ever noticed that you yawn when you're sleepy, bored, or even when someone else yawns? Yawning is actually your body's natural way of refreshing the brain. When your brain gets tired, a deep yawn brings in cool air that helps regulate its temperature and keeps you alert. It also increases oxygen intake and removes carbon dioxide, giving your body a quick energy boost. And interestingly, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger it in you because it's linked to empathy in the brain. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not laziness. It's simply your brain asking for a quick recharge.